Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to show you our exciting new slim cling rubber stamps. We've done 6 of them here to start with, and you can see they come in a package like this, and they're deeply etched cling rubber, and we also have a slim acrylic handle, and we've featured the different designs that are available on the packaging. And I'll move these out of the way here and show you when it gets on the handle. There it is, and it's so easy to work with. And I'll just show you some of the different designs, and then we'll take a look at some fun samples that I've made. And I'll just mention, in stamping them, whatever ink you choose to use, be sure to cover it completely and then press evenly across the surface of the handle, and that will give you the best impression. It is easier on smooth rather than textured paper, but once you get your stamp inked up, practice with it to get the feel of it, you should be off and running, making some really fun slim cards. So I'll show you here. This is the designs, and I just did this color work with my Copic markers, but I wanted to show you that we've designed images within this to work any different direction, whether you're working horizontal from this side or whether you're doing a vertical from this side. And as you can see here, it's often I use it where I just bring out a phrase within the words to highlight it, and you don't have to color the entire area. But take a look here at some of the samples with the happy birthday words here. This one made a really nice backdrop to a cupcake, and this one with an A2 card, I just used the top section of it, and with no coloring at all to it, it's a nice background to your more colorful accents. And kind of played off of that same idea here, and you can color coordinate however you want. So I stamped the full panel and then I cut it to do the 2 segments, but your eye kind of puts it back together there as you open and close the card. And then this one I kind of played off of the same idea on a vertical, and so I made the celebrate visible on that side, and again I cut it in strips this way so that one strip is here and the other part is there. So lots of fun ways to enjoy them as a background. Then the next one is the beautiful floral wings, and again we tried to create a design that could kind of work from just about any different direction, and you can see some fun ways of using it here. And this one I took the time to cut around the outside edge, and that was kind of fun. And on this one I just used it as a backdrop with a little bit of shading around the edges. And so you can see horizontal or vertical options. And then this one is a beautiful rose, and large enough to go all the way through the center of your card, and however you wanted to do vertical or horizontal. And this card also uses the next one, which is a beautiful just an elegant pattern, and I used it as a backdrop on this one. And I'll mention this one, if you didn't want the little bits around the edges, you can ink only the decorative portion, and you could stamp it and turn it around and stamp it the other way and create some really beautiful patterning. And here we have our leaves, and you can see a couple ways that I made some cards here. With this one, on white paper, I just did some nice shading of green around the edge. And on this one, I just stamped it on the green paper, and with minimal coloring, you get a beautiful effect. So you can try all different things that way. And this one, I added a whole little shaker on the inside. And then this one, our vintage post, again has you can turn it at all different angles, and with this card we popped up a couple of the letters that were in the front. So that gives you lots of fun possibilities with our new slim Cling stamps, so have fun with them.